We are so excited for you to transform your cabinets into something you'll love.
They will go from something like this to this. I hope you're ready to amaze yourself about what you could do in your kitchen.
Here's another before and after. Hi, I'm Scott,
And I'm Amy with Restoration Market.
and we will guide you step by step through the whole process in great detail. We're going to give you all of the money and time-saving tricks that we have used for years to help transform our clients' kitchen cabinets into something they love.
With our method, you won't have to move out of your kitchen. You can leave everything in the cupboards and the drawers as you work. We will show you the right way to prep your cabinets so you can go over your existing finish. Through this course, we will walk you through everything from design, how to prep properly, and even how to make a spray booth for under $100.
And we know you might be a little nervous at this point, but we know you can do it. If you have ever painted a wall in your house, you can do this.
The first time I painted a cabinet, I was nervous, but it turned out great. I know that yours will turn out great too.
We highly recommend that you watch all of the videos prior to starting so you have a good idea of the scope of work and the decisions you need to make before starting. The biggest decision is whether or not you're going to spray some of your cabinetry.
We highly recommend spraying your cabinet doors and drawers. It gives you a professional look and saves you hours and hours of paint time. It's so much easier, and we have developed a method to spray all 6 sides at one time. No more laying your cabinets on the floor and painting one side at a time, waiting for it to dry, and then flipping it over.
No, that takes all day. And we've made it even easy by giving you all of the supplies on a list, providing you with specific items that get fantastic results. We're not sponsored by any of these companies. We just recommend the stuff that actually works well for us. We also have a link to an online shopping list, so you could just do a few clicks and get all the necessary supplies delivered right to you.
And we have provided you with a quick reference guide that gives you necessary details for each step while you're working.
That way, while you're painting, you don't have to watch these videos. Amy in the next one is going to help you finalize your design.